Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July the 19th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Novartis indicated during its second quarter results presentation that it will significantly increase investment in Entresto in the second half of 2016 in order to accelerate uptake of the heart failure drug. The drug maker said, as a consequence of this additional investment and depending on the erosion curve of Gleevec, core operating income is expected to be broadly in line with the prior year or decline by low single digits. CEO Joe Jimenez stated that the decision to boost investment in Entresto by an additional $200 million this year would go mainly toward building a sales force targeting U.S. primary care physicians. With regard to its second quarter financial results, Novartis said net income was 3% lower at $1.8 billion, while sales fell 2% to $12.5 billion, coming in ahead of the $12.3 billion analysts were anticipating. In other news, Jounce Therapeutics entered into a global strategic collaboration with Celgene focused on developing and commercializing innovative immuno-oncology treatments for patients with cancer. The deal, which is potentially worth up to $2.6 billion, includes options on Jounce's lead product candidate JTX-2011 and up to 4 early-stage programs. And finally, Johnson Johnson reported that sales were up 3.9% during the second quarter to $18.5 billion, beating analyst estimates of $18 billion, boosted by an 8.9% increase in revenue from its pharmaceuticals unit, which generated $8.7 billion. Meanwhile, quarterly net income was down 11.5% to $4 billion. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.